guys, so it is actually Tuesday morning. I didn't film a traditional vlog for the day yesterday. I had some stuff going on and I just didn't pick up the camera to vlog, but I didn't want to leave you guys without any sort of video, so I decided I was going to sit down quickly and do this little tag that I found. It's called the Christmas tag, and since this is Vlogmas, I thought it was appropriate to just answer a few holiday questions that I found. I think I've probably done this sort of thing in the past, holiday tag, but not recently, so I decided to just sit down and answer the questions really quick so you guys would have something to watch and I wasn't leaving you hanging. I'll explain a little bit more about why I didn't vlog. You'll see that in tomorrow's vlog. It just wasn't a good day to vlog. So, yeah, I just Googled Christmas tag questions and I found a couple of different tags here. I'm looking down at my phone. Sorry if that's distracting. But I just figured I'd answer the questions. Hopefully you guys don't mind this. The first question is, what's your favorite holiday movie? I love Home Alone. We just watched it together as a family the other day. It's probably my all-time favorite. I love it. I also really like the Santa Claus. I think that's super cute. And A Christmas Story. What's your favorite Christmas color? So this year it's blue. I am all about really pretty deep dark like navy and royal blue. You guys know, you saw my Christmas tree, it's all in blue. My holiday wrapping paper is blue. I'm just obsessed with that color right now. In general though, I like jewel tones, so the dark blue, the dark purples, emerald green, that's my sort of Christmas style. Do you like to stay in your PJs or dress up for Christmas? We do Christmas super casual, so I don't stay in my PJs because we go out, we go to my in-laws' house, but we don't get dressed up either. We just kind of keep it cash, have a nice little family day. Number 4, if you could only buy one person a present this year, who would it be? We don't do a lot of presents, to be honest. We don't buy for a lot of people. I buy for my sons and my husband and my in-laws, and that's it. But if I could only buy for one person, that's too hard. I have 2 kids. I can't make that decision. So just my kiddos, I guess. Do you open your presents on Christmas Eve or Christmas morning? So we do the majority of our presents on Christmas morning. We do have a tradition where our kids open one gift on Christmas Eve, and it's always the same. It's Christmas pajamas. This year we're doing it a little bit different because I didn't buy like Christmas themed pajamas. What I actually bought was just like lounge clothes because my kids are getting older. They're constantly wanting to wear sweatpants and stuff anyway, like even to school. So I decided that rather than buying more Christmas pajamas, which they've got a lot of from previous years past, I would just buy them each a pair of like sweatpants and a shirt to go with it, so they could wear them for pajamas or loungewear or watching TV at home or whatever, but so they could also wear them to school if they wanted to. I just lost my place. Where was I? Number 6, have you ever built a gingerbread house? I have, yes. I didn't bake a gingerbread house, like do the whole thing where you bake it from scratch and all of that. Typically we buy like the pre-built ones and we just decorate them as a family, but I've done that for years. You guys have seen it in Vlogmas past. Definitely have done that. What do you like to do on your Christmas break? So when my kids are home from school, we do a whole lot of vegging, relaxing, watching movies, watching TV. I'm not a big fan of winter and cold, so we don't do a lot of going out. We just kind of hang out together as a family, which I know is boring. We don't do anything super spectacular, but we just like to spend quality time together. Number 8, any Christmas wishes? My wish for Christmas is just that everyone is happy and healthy, and that we make it through it without a lot of stress, and that it's a memorable experience. Number 9, favorite Christmas smell. My favorite smell in general is cloves. I don't know if you would call that necessarily a Christmas scent. You know, you get like the little pomanders with the orange and the cloves stuck in them. Those are my favorite things to do around the holidays when I was a kid. I've done them with my kids. I just love the scent of cloves. My husband has an aftershave that smells like cloves, and it's just to die for. I love that smell. I know it's weird. It's not everybody's cup of tea, but I love it. And of course, peppermint is another one. Number 10 is favorite Christmas meal or treat. I love peanut butter cookies. Those are my all-time favorite. And we do a prime rib at Christmas on Christmas Eve, and not gonna lie, that's pretty delicious too. Number 11, which holiday do you celebrate? My family and I celebrate Christmas. What are you doing for the holidays this year? It's the same thing we do every year. It's just hanging out. On Christmas Eve, we do our big family dinner where it's just me and my husband and our 2 boys, and my mother-in-law comes over. We'll have a nice family dinner, and then we'll open Christmas presents on Christmas morning before we go to my in-laws. It's the same thing, super low-key, but I love it. Number 13, what's your favorite holiday drink? I'm a big hot chocolate fan. We do eggnog and different coffees and things too, but I love hot chocolate. I switch hands here. This camera gets heavy after a while. And I still can't find that piece for my tripod. I don't know what happened to it. I think I'm gonna have to buy a new tripod. Because I've searched everywhere and I can't find it. Candy cane or gingerbread man? And you know, to be honest, I'm not really a big, like, super huge fan of either one of those things. I like peppermint flavored things. But I'm not a huge, like, candy cane fan, and I'm not really a great big fan of gingerbread men either. So I guess neither is the answer to that question. Number 15, what's your favorite holiday / Christmas song? I love The Little Drummer Boy, especially the Anthony Rapp version. It's like a duet, and I love it. I will link it down below if you guys want to go and see which song I'm talking about. I love it. I think it's so beautiful. Number 16, what's the weirdest gift you've ever received? I haven't really received a lot of weird gifts. When I was a kid, I had a family friend of ours give me some decorative hangers. I was like 12 or 13, so it definitely wasn't like a super appreciated gift at that age. But that's probably as weird as what I've ever been given that I can remember. Number 17, have you ever made a snowman? I have, as a kid. I liked snow a lot more as a kid than I do now. You couldn't pay me to go out there and build one today, but yeah, I did that sort of thing when I was younger. My phone just locked up on me. Give me a second here. Number 18, what is your favorite winter fragrance? I think we already discussed that when we were talking about holiday smell. Number 19, what is at the top of your list this Christmas? I've already gotten everything that I wanted. I really, really wanted a laminator, and my husband got that for me. I got a few other office-y things. We always exchange gifts, he and I, super early in the month. So I've pretty much gotten everything that I wanted on my list. And number 20, what is most important to you about the holidays? And that, of course, is just being with my family, being thankful and joyful, and, you know, making lots of really great memories. So I know this wasn't a typical vlog. I hope you guys don't mind. I'm gonna leave the questions in the description box. I'd love it if you wanted to go and answer them. Maybe get a conversation going in the comments. You guys know how much I love reading your comments. So yeah, I'm gonna go and edit this video and get it up for you guys, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for a real vlog. Bye.